How's it going? All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at problem 37 in chapter 14, in which Pew Research surveyed U.S. adults in December 2011. They asked how important it is to you personally to be successful in a high-paying career or profession. Among 18 to 34-year-old respondents, do men and women have the same ideas about the importance of this kind of success? And then there's the table of the responses. So what we're going to want to do is a chi-square test of independence to see whether or not the genders, the male and women genders, is independent to their importance of success. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to hit Analyze. We're going to do a fit y by x. And in this one, it doesn't matter which of the categorical variables we do for the x or for the y, but we want to put the count under the frequency here. Hit OK. And then what we get here is we get a couple little bits and pieces here, a nice mosaic plot, but we're going to look at this contingency table, hit the hotspot, and we want to uncheck everything other than the count. And what we can go ahead and add is the expected and the cell chi-squared. Awesome. So here's the contingency table. And what we want to look in terms of the test for our hypothesis test, which is the null hypothesis is that they are independent, and then the alternative is that they're not independent. We get under the Pearson row here, which is the one we want to take a look at. The probability, the p-value is 0.0006. So obviously we would reject that null hypothesis, and we would conclude that men and women do have different ideas about the importance of this kind of success. So yeah, thanks so much for tuning in.